Hey fellow editors, today we're diving into a common task in DaVinci Resolve, how to delete audio without losing your entire clip. It's a quick and essential skill to have, so let's jump right in. First things first, let's import our clip onto the timeline. This is where our audio deletion adventure begins. Here's my clip, and if I play it, you'll hear some audio attached to it. To delete just the audio, we need to right-click on the clip. Here we'll find the Link Clips option or use the shortcut CMD plus L-click to unlink them. Now you have to select the clip again. With the clip selected, press Delete. Boom! The audio is gone, and your clip remains intact. But hey, let's go back and see a quicker way to do this. Instead of clicking Delete, use the backspace key on your keyboard. It achieves the same result, deleting only the audio, leaving your clip unharmed. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to delete audio without losing your precious clip. Remember, it's all about unlinking and using that backspace key. Simple, yet powerful. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up.